Dear students, we are going to do one very important concept of electrochemistry. We are going to do the relationship between electrode potential of metal ion half cell and metal coated with its insoluble salt dipped in anion of its own. Let's first of all see how can we make two different type of half cells in a single vessel. We have taken silver electrode and we have dipped it in Ag positive ions. वो Ag positive ions कहाँ से आए? I will just now tell you. Now let's treat it as silver coated with its insoluble salt, silver chloride, dipped in a solution of KCl which is furnishing Cl negative ions. So एक ही वेसल में हम इन दो तरीके के हाफ सेल्स को कैसे ले सकते हैं? As AgCl is a sparingly soluble salt, it will be giving Ag positive ions in solution in some quantity. So silver electrode ली है, dipped in Ag positive is metal ion half cell. Another thing, like that way, silver coated with its insoluble salt, sparingly soluble salt, dipped in a solution of KCl which is furnishing Cl negative ions. Here we are taking saturated solution. Saturated state means ionic product of AgCl is equal to its solubility product. That's a very important point which has to be kept in mind. So first thing is, I have explained you out here how in a single vessel we can consider this rod dipped in Ag positive as metal ion half cell. This silver electrode coated with its insoluble salt dipped in a solution of KCl as metal insoluble salt dipped in common anion half cell. As we are interested in finding the relationship of electrode potentials of these two half cells, there are two types of electrode potential. One is E and another is E naught. Now what are the factors which affect electrode potential? Temperature, nature of solvent, type of electrode and concentration of the solution. We can make electrode potential of these two half cells as equal, but we cannot make their standard electrode potentials as equal. Why can't we make standard electrode potential equal? Because for standard electrode potential to be equal, concentration of the ions should be 1. Means concentration of Ag positive and Cl negative has to be 1. As I have just now told you that in that particular type of cell, we have taken saturated solution. In saturated solution, if we take concentration of these ions as 1, their Ksp will be 1, which is not possible. Why is it not possible? Because AgCl is a sparingly soluble salt. Its Ksp is very less than 1. So this means we can make their electrode potentials equal and not their standard electrode potential. Now let's come over to I have written the reduction potential of that metal ion half cell. It's using Nernst equation. Its electrode potential is equal to standard electrode potential minus 0.059 upon 1, because electron exchanged is 1, log of products upon reactants. Silver is solid, that's why its concentration is taken to be 1. This is aqueous, I have written out here. In the similar way, I have written for the another half cell, its reduction potential. AgCl is accepting electron, Ag positive accepts, gives this. Its electrode potential is represented as these two things are equal. We have equated them equal. Let's rearrange the terms. E naught Cl minus oblique AgCl oblique Ag is equal to E naught Ag positive oblique Ag. If I made it positive, Ag positive will be in the numerator. Bringing it towards this side, this will be plus and it will be Cl minus. This term is KSP in saturated solution. So whenever we are finding a relationship between metal ion half cell and metal coated with its insoluble salt dipped in common ion half cell, this is the relationship which we get. Lot many questions are asked on it. Now what are the logic points which has to be kept in mind? Whenever we are going to find the relationship between electrode potential of this type of two half cells, E naught cell can never be equal. It's the E cell which is equal. And when we are taking metal electrode coated with its insoluble salt, we have to coat with sparingly soluble salt and we have to dip it in a common anion. We are taking a saturated solution. Only then we can equate it in terms of KSP.